Hi friends, and welcome back to Tracker Fam. This is AJ with you, and today's video is very special because what I'm going to show you is, because we are doing this YouTube vlogging nowadays. So what I got is, I was looking for a nice phone for making vlogs for my wife, and I found this HUAWEI Y9a. I guess this is the new latest version released 2 days ago in UAE. And I've just bought that, right? So when I bought that, they've sent like a big package. I didn't know what's in the big package. I just bought a phone, so they've sent like this big package to us. So I'm just gonna open it and see what's inside, right? It's like a I don't know, the phone is very small, but let's see what they have sent us. All right, so it's time to open the parcel. All right. Hello. Okay, so here's the phone which we have ordered. It's a nice Y9a phone, right? We're gonna unbox it in a while. So let's see what else they have sent us. Okay, so nice. They've sent us this whole wireless phones for her to work, so it will be nice for her, right? I don't know how much it's worth, but yeah. Thank you, Hawaii, for free gift. And there's a something big there inside as well. So let's see what's in there. All right, there's something else. Okay, woo! All right, so I don't know what is it. Probably a weighing scale for your body, but I think it's got a Bluetooth. And I guess it's get connected to your phone, I guess, to monitor your weight, and it's get recorded automatically probably. So yeah, nice. And it's got a thing backup of up to 10 users. They said it is user-friendly app, 9 body composition indicators. So they have indicators. I don't know how it works. We're gonna find out later on. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox our Y9a mobile, right? So let's see what we have inside. Nice mobile. It is basically, it got like a 128 GB and 8 GB RAM. Okay, it's cost me around 1,000 dirhams here, so good. We got some free gifts for that. It got a nice megapixel camera, and they said it's good for YouTubing, vlogging. It got a steady video, and it saves you from using gimbal. But yeah, we already have a gimbal, so yeah. Let's see how the phone is. All right. Okay. They got I am secure. Check content if seal is broken. Seal is not broken. Let's break the seal. Okay. Okay, open. The other side. Be an iPhone person and a Samsung person, but yeah. So this is just for YouTube vlogging. So okay, color seems very nice. I ordered a gray color. I like gray phones. Usually I take blacks, but yeah. So for my wife. So it got a 64 MP quad camera, 4 watts Hawaii supercharger. I think the supercharger works very fast, and this is the first time I think they have introduced this supercharger in this price range. Usually high-end range around more than 2,000 dirhams they give superchargers. It got 8 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM in it. It got 6.63. Nice, not a bad mobile. Guys, have a look at it. Wow, too shiny for the color. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn it on to see inside. I'm gonna put the SIM in later. I don't know where it starts from. I guess here. It's turning on. Okay, while it's turning on, let's see what else they have given us in the box. So they got like this booklet type thing. Let's take out. So they're giving us a SIM opener. got like quick step start guide thing here. Not bad. Oh, they got a case. They gave us a free case. Not bad. Yeah, I was thinking I have to buy a case. I was hoping they give a case inside already. So it's a nice case. I can use the same case to get it done. Let's put it aside. Yes, the phone's turned on and it gives you a few of the languages. It gives you Espanol, they give you English, Azerbaijan, probably Latin, Basa Java, again Latin. Okay, I'm going to choose English as I know of. Okay, United States, or select region. What region to select? Do you guys tell me which region to select? I'm just going to select okay, United States for now. Okay, Singapore. Select a region. Alright, let's look for a region. Okay, it's nice. Yeah. So UAE, GCC, Middle East. What do you have? Let's see UAE, where I can find UAE. Okay, found UAE. Yeah. Look, UAE. Good. Next. I have carefully read and agreed to the terms. I don't read the terms. You should read the terms. It's very important to read the terms because it gives you why and what they're taking you on. Okay, next. Yeah, no SIM card. For skip for now. I'm going to connect to one of my Wi-Fi's here just for it to load. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna keep it aside. What else they have? They have given you a charger. Ooh, it's heavy. It's not like a light charger. The chargers I have for iPhone and iPad, they're not that heavy, but this one is very heavy. Probably a supercharger they call it. So yeah. Then they have given us probably this is the charger. Okay. It's like my Samsung S8 charger type thing when I actually have Samsung S8. So good. They're giving you a charger, and then they have given you headphones. Yeah. So that was it. Let's see the mobile if it's turned on completely now. Next. So you can carry an ID and all that. I'll do that later on. So yes, this is the alright guys, so this is the phone we got, right? So we're gonna log in and do all the things, and we're gonna use this phone going forward for all our YouTube vlogging. Okay, it's a nice phone. Okay, so now let's check the headphones. Okay, let's unbox the headphones. They've given us the headphones. So the headphones is wireless Bluetooth. So let's see. Let's open the box. Okay, nice. It's locked from here. So guys, we have opened the box now. Let's see what's inside. Okay, looks kind of nice actually. I was not expecting something hi-fi. Wow, they look really good. They're really good actually. So they got like good quality. They're not like a very small quality, and it's coming with a pouch to put them in, and they're giving us extra things here, and a charger is also there to charge them. So it's good. Oh, not bad actually. They give you a pouch. They give you extra earbuds to put them, use them. So that is very nice. So we got a phone, a body scan. I'm not gonna open that. I don't know what is it. So I'm gonna let my wife use it. She likes to have her body weight all the time, not me. So yeah, the headphones are really nice. So thank you guys for watching our video. Please do subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed to our channel yet. And going forward, we're gonna be making videos from this phone, the new phone. So please be good and help us get more good videos made for all you guys to watch. Do subscribe to our channel and looking forward for more videos soon. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye.